for liberty.
For most Americans, politics is nothing more than a once in 4 years, 18-month WrestleMania match that concludes with 2 hours waiting in line outside of a ballot box. Nothing can get solved as long as we're sort of relegated to this very passive role of doing nothing more than voting once every 4 years and spending the rest of it whining that we're not getting the outcomes we look for.
Nobody wants to hear about a nuanced or granular take on any particular policy. They want to hear how many children died in Afghanistan under Biden, or they want to hear how many drone strikes there were under Trump, or they want to hear their particular pet issue and how upset they can be about their thing. But I don't think at the end of the day anybody is actually trying to go online and engage in meaningful political discourse.
Social media is run as a ground down to the nose attention economy in which only the most ruthlessly efficient deliverers of information and entertainment can survive. The only alternatives to this, again, functionally, are either better consumers, a difficult prospect, or some kind of regulation, whether that be governmental through terms of service agreements or something else. But this is ultimately one of the big problems that very left-leaning people have with this type of economic driver, which is that there are externalities. We have maximized the thing we're prioritizing, which is watch time, but we've left other things to the side. Reliability, trustworthiness, or if nothing else, the ability to properly diversify the content you consume.
And I think that when you have social media companies that are getting paid money to serve you content that serves into this kind of, rabid frenzy of caring about these very hot button culture war issues, at the end of the day, there's just not really much space for somebody to come and give a well thought out take that shows you both sides of things and then shows you how you can push your issue a little bit farther. It's just going to be whoever's screaming loudest in the most entertaining fashion.